Hello everyone. The mobile phone in our hand is iPhone 13. We can see that the screen is leaking. The screen doesn't move anymore. Let's change the screen of the phone. Remove the screws using a screwdriver. Use something like a blade to remove the screen. The process of prying the screen open drops alcohol. When there are more gaps in the edges, we can pry the screen open with our hands. You have to be careful because the screen is broken. Then remove the screws from the motherboard. Then take the cover off. Power off the battery when you remove it. When you take the screen off, use stickers to protect the camera and face components. And then we take the wire off first. You can heat it up during the process so you can take it off. Just don't break the wiring. The process should be careful and slow. We prepare our new screen. Let's set up the sensitive wire first. You can heat it up during the process so you can take it off. Then put the cover and screws in place. We are going to use the tools when we are done. When the light does not flash, right is complete. Now let's take off the screen. Install waterproof tape first. Once installed, you can install the new screen. Reverse the previous disassembly steps. Remember not to install the wrong parts. Make sure you clean the prints when you're done. Make sure it's clean and nothing else is installed. Once installed, the screen replacement is complete.